In this video, I'm about to compare Ideogram and Midjourney. When comparing Ideogram and Midjourney for AI generation, each platform has distinctive strengths. The pros include that Ideogram specializes in accurately translating text prompts into images, making it effective for generating visuals that closely align with users' input. It offers a straightforward interface that is accessible for beginners, allowing easy navigations without needing to use a chat-based system. It offers a free plan, a basic plan at $7 per month, a plus plan at $60 per month, and pro plan at $48 per month. The cons include that it performs well in text-to-image generation but offers fewer customizations options. Users have noted that it sometimes struggles with complex concepts. The pros include that Midjourney excels in creating highly realistic and detailed images, which can be particularly beneficial for users seeking lifelike visuals. It is integrated with Discord, and Midjourney has a vibrant community that offers support, inspiration, and collaboration. It offers a basic plan at $8 per month, a standard plan at $24 per month, and a pro plan at $48 per month. The cons include that the Discord interface can be challenging for those unfamiliar with the platform. While it provides high-quality outputs, and subscription model might be considering expensive for casual users. In my opinion, Ideogram is better for text-focused design, and Midjourney excels in detailed artistic visual. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.